yourself go. It seems impossible. I'll stick beside you if you try. And if it gets tough, I wanna make it up. I'll encourage you, my friend, 'cause you are a work of art. Scribble you in my notebook as I write. 'Cause we are combined at heart. Money, love, and cars, we want it all.
Damn it, I wanted to see dolphins have sex. Now I'll never know.
How come you just don't go to the zoo and watch dolphins have sex?
But that will be a long-ass journey for me to walk just to see dolphins have sex.
But bro, the zoo is right there in your backyard.
But that is still a long way for me to walk.
But I thought you wanted to see how dolphins bump nasty.
I do, but
But what?
I just don't want to walk all the way over there.
God damn it, my nigga. We're in a cartoon. We'll be there faster than 2 shakes on a donkey's tail.
My God, how am I supposed to get a new penguin at this very moment? I just love how a cartoon worked. Now, time to get a new penguin.
Oh shit, a child molester.
Oh no, wait, I'm the zookeeper.
Oh no, I know what this is about. I'm a free penguin. I'm no slave like my ancestors.
I'm not talking about any slavery. I'm talking about the job at the zoo.
That's the same shit.
But I will pay you 25 cents a day and 1 square meal a week.
That seems like a shit deal.
Hey, zookeeper, how much would you give me for Spencer?
I'll give you $5 for him.
It's a deal.
Wait, what?
Now, to get a $5 sack.
Sí, señor.
Jose!
Sí, señor.
Jose!
Sí, señor.
Squirrely!
So, Jose, you work at the zoo selling balloons?
Sí, señor.
Is the audio tour worth taking here at the zoo?
Sí, señor.
The hillside cougar is most famous for stalking a prey quiet like a ninja.
Hey kids, you wanna mow my lawn?
On the next exhibit, we have both kinds of zebras. White zebras with black stripes and black zebras with white stripes. How do you tell the difference? By their teeth. Here we have a pack of camels in their natural habitat. Here is the famous king lion, the great tiger and big grizzly bear doing their famous chant.
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my!
Lions and tigers and bears, oh my!
Lions, tigers, and bears, oh my!
If you didn't like that, we have the most famous timber of howling. I can't believe that nigga did me dirty.
Psst, psst.
Who's there?
Just a fellow bird like you, my brother. My name is Frank, and I'm here to see if you want to be with your own kind.
Hey, that almost sounds too racist, my nigga.
Oh, no, I didn't mean it like that. I meant to be with your own species of bird. But I see what you mean where animals locked up by the man and being forced to slave as entertainment humans.
Wait. Enough of this shit. Looking out to the audience. That's all we did the first episode.
I agree. That's the lowest standard of comedy.
So where do all these hip birds hang out?
Follow me. We will fly there together.
Hey, bro, I'm a penguin. I can't fly like no Dumbo.
I forgot that was the same problem we had with the last penguin. Well, then just follow me on foot as I fly to the secret headquarters. Welcome, Spencer, to the Secret Society of the Birds.
Isn't that a movie by Alfred Hitchcock?
No, I don't know what you are talking about. Is that some nature film? I don't care. We are a society that is planning to kill out all other species.
Yeah, bro. That's how the movie is.
Nah, never mind. I have to go up on stage and start the meeting. I'm the leader of the birds. Good evening, and welcome, newcomer Spencer, to The Bird. Here is Dr. Cox.
Hello, Spencer. Shit! It's nice to meet you. God damn it!
Dr. Cox has Tourette's, but he really is a genius. Sometimes I think he's just bullshitting about the Tourette's, just like when he made up some disease called diabetes.
But diabetes is a real disease.
Anyways, next we have Tommy Hawk.
Is you supposed to be some kind of skater, my nigga?
Sure, bruh. Why you say that? Just because my name is Tommy Hawk?
I ain't your bra, nigga, and my bad. With your poser skater get up and knock off name, it could be misleading.
Nah, bruh. Why you come and diss me like that?
I don't have time for this shit. Who else do you have in this group? A platypus and a hummingbird? Yeah, I'm totally not doing this episode, even if I am a star of it.
Hey, guys. I think Tommy Hawk might actually be hurt.
Hey, you're Tourette's. You were faking it?
Yeah, you got me. I totally made that disease up, just like I did the diabetes. But the good thing is, the hot young nurse is gonna come over and take care of Tommy, and we'll just hit on her like we always do. Hello, birdies! Anyone want a spaz bath?
Good thing the penguin didn't stay.
Oh, cow manure.
You better keep that mouth of yours shut.
Sí, señor.
Shush, my nigga, shush. It took a lot of balls to buy me like you did, like I'm some kind of property. But I respect you for that. You paid for a penguin, and damn it, my nigga, you're gonna get a penguin.
Okay, I take it the endings to these cartoons are going to be less creative now?
Next time on Incurious Wondermint, you know what? I don't even know why I did this. I was even in this episode. Those damn bastards even bite butt for me this time. Fucking Jose.
Hello, police? I just witnessed through the rear window of my room, my roommate killed my other roommate in the heat of passion, and then buried the body in the backyard. Oh, and did I mention I have a broken leg and I'm in a wheelchair with a parking boot on? Oh yeah, and I'm on the second floor in my room, looking out of my rear window. Oh yeah, and I forgot, there's a cow with a bloody knife in my room.
Stoner buddy, what's up, man? How you doing? But dude, you gotta stop calling me. I'm not gonna hire you. Shit sucks. And you gotta stop with Alfred Hitchcock knockoff shit. His work is a masterpiece that inspired the creation of Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
How dare you, sir, say the great Alfred Hitchcock helped create Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Good day. Hello, Stoner the Boner here, saying hello to whatever maybe fans that are out there. And I just want to thank Seth Green for being a good sport. Oh hell, let's just face it, Seth Green's attorneys are coming after me. Hint the name of the episode, Jailbird. And to those who don't know who Alfred Hitchcock is, shame on you. Good night, everyone.
Life's never really given me any lemons, but it's surely given me the thorns. I filled out so many job applications. Really what it is just paper wasting. bottle after bottle, mass decapitation. I'm drinking wiser, so I'm all pedo-faced it. Out of mind, out of mind, out of mind. I cuss a lot cause my vocabulary is hella whack. That's a fucking fact. Why is east so far away from west? A little song to get the question out your head. Out of mind, out of mind, out of mind. And I've missed me. Yeah, I've missed me. But as long as I've still got my fucking beat. Too much sunshine creates a desert. We need the storms in our life to help us grow better. Time's a wasting, take a tasting. Would feel so good if I can finally smell the bacon. Out of mind, out of mind, out of mind. I'll tell you now that I'm positive of this. The bud I smoke is magically delish, like Lucky Charms from Stephen's farm. Out of mind, out of mind,